Do you know honeybee? Honeybee, you know, right? Honeybee.
Yes.
Okay, honeybee. Once there was a honeybee in a garden. Think about that. There is a honeybee in the garden. It was very active, very sincere, very hardworking. It was very active, very sincere, and very hardworking. Every day, it did only one thing. It did only one thing. Fly here and there. Next, collect again and work more restless. Work more restless. Okay, like something like you are working in the home and going to the office and then coming, working, something like so it is always doing. So flying here, flying there, collect honey, store that honey. Its job is only that activity only. Only that is the thing what it's always doing. Slowly, bee started feeling weak because doing the hard work, right, every day. But still, it did not stop. But still, it did not stop. It thought that, if I stop, work will stop. If I stop, work will stop. If I rest, I lose everything. If I rest, I lose everything. Everything. So it continued. It continued doing the work. On fine day, while flying past from one flower to another flower, its wing got hurt. Its wing got hurt. Now it could not fly even properly. It is not in a position to fly properly because wing got hurt, damaged. Like so, in this case, what happened is it could not collect honey. It could not enjoy the garden. It could not even do the work it loved. Then the bee understand one painful truth. Then the bee understand one painful truth. I was so busy working. I was so busy working that I forgot to protect myself. I forgot to protect myself. I was so busy working. I forgot to protect myself. Like, can you please imagine in the place of honeybee? Can you visualize yourself? How many times you saw the people? Arey, I'm not feeling well, but still that person is working hard. Arey, I'm with fever. Still that person came to the office. How many times we saw such type of people? Sir, I'm feeling full tired, want to take the rest, but compulsory I should go to the office and I require to do that activities. I require to do the activities like how many times? So what will happen is if you are doing like that, honeybee situation, the same thing is going to be happen for us also. You require to protect yourself. Okay, work is only the thing. No, balance you require to manage. Work is a part of our life. Work is not our total life. Work is not total thing. Honeybee, work is my life. If I stop working, if I take rest, then everything will be gone. Keep on doing, keep on doing, keep on doing, keep on doing. One fine day, one fine day, its wing got damaged. Permanent rest. Then how the things are going to be get on? It's always a bigger problem. Don't don't make your life to such a type of levels. Okay, hard work is good. Hard work is good, but blind hard work is dangerous. If you protect your energy, one day your energy will leave you. If you don't protect, if you don't protect your energy, if you are not going to protect your energy, one day that energy will leave you. Compulsory, you require to save your energy, protect your energy. You require to protect your time. Rest is not weakness, rest is repair. Balance is not laziness, balance is wisdom. Remember, what a wonderful point from the honeybee example. So, you require to work, but That work is total, my life is only work. No. Blind hard work is always dangerous, friends.